Ahoy, this is Zdenka. My last video was filmed and edited on my smartphone. I literally grabbed a few editing apps and picked one which I thought would be good to do the video. But then I looked into it because you were asking me which video editing app is the best for smartphone. I downloaded about 10 highly recommended apps, tested them all, and I settled on top 5. So here are top 5 video editing apps for your smartphone. And as you can see, I'm outdoors because I thought today would be pretty cool if I could actually show you the city I live in. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Zdenka. I create photo and video tutorials, tech reviews, and creative camera challenges. So if that's something you are interested in, you might consider clicking that subscribe button. Let's start with the first app, and that is PowerDirector. This is a very powerful video editor, very similar to classic video editing software you get on a computer. It has multiple track timeline video editing, tons of effects, quick editing tools, supports slow motion, you can create voiceovers. It is free to download, use it, but if you want all the features, you have to get monthly or yearly subscription. Now that you've seen the first editing app, let me tell you a little bit about the city I live in. It's called Oshawa, and the population is 166,000. It is mainly industrial city. It's known for the GM car factory, and as you can see, we have huge ships coming here all the time, bringing, I guess, all the material and everything needed. So yeah, that's the city I live at. Number 2 app is here, and that will be Argo. It is great editing app for YouTubers or Instagrammers, as you can choose from ratio 1:1 for Instagram or 16:9 for YouTube. It does everything it's supposed to do, like trim, cut, render, and other basic editing features. It supports slow motion, it has plenty of transitions, overlays, and other effects, such as playing in a reverse. Most of the features are free, but you can still purchase more features. And quick stop by in downtown Oshawa. I gotta say, I never really felt comfortable here, so I'm just gonna show you very quick what it is all about. Let's look at app number 3, which is KineMaster. This is quite full-featured video editor for Android. It offers multiple video layers, blending modes, voiceovers, speed control, transitions, special effects, subtitles, and lots more. 2 features which I need to mention are audio filters, and if you use green screen, you'll be happy to hear that it has chroma key feature. You can use it free in trial mode, but then to be able to fully use it, you have to pay monthly subscription. Yes, the downtown can be a little bit rough, but not the whole town. Downtown is that rough. It's got some nice perks like this one as well. FileMaker Pro is the next app. This video app I was using in my last video, how to film and edit video on a smartphone. I added the link in the video description in case you haven't seen it yet. This app is easy to use, has all you need, trim, cut, color grade, has awesome transitions like Twitch. You can import your own music. Free to use, but you can purchase additional effects. part of the city is completely different. Nothing like downtown or the south. Very modern, very new, quite quiet. That's where I feel pretty comfortable. It's time to look at the final app, but first I want to let you know that this whole video was filmed on my smartphone, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal, the whole vlogging kit including microphone. In case you want to see this vlogging kit, I created a video about that and the link is in the video description below. But now, let's look at the app number 5. Last app I would recommend trying out is called InShot. This is very popular for social media platforms. You can trim, add music, add emoji or animations, video effects and some transitions. Sharing on social media is simple and quick. It can also edit photos and create collage. Well, all I got to say now is hit the thumbs up button if you like today's video, subscribe to all future videos like these. If you have any questions, comments, simply want to say hello or hi, you can do so in a comment section below and let me know which app you are using for video editing on your smartphone or which one you're considering to try out. And I'll see everybody in the next one. Ciao, ahoy!